Today, I bring you to Legato Heights, a masterpiece of architecture located in Ridge, Accra. When people ask me about moving to Ghana, one of their top questions is, where am I going to live? There are so many options out there that they don't know who to trust, and they're not sure if the project is legitimate. Today, I'm bringing you to the showroom for Legato Heights by VAAL Real Estate. This latest project features a premium apartment showroom that you get an opportunity to see what it's like to live in premium luxury in Ghana. Welcome to the showroom here at Legato Heights. This is an example of what a one bedroom will look like when this whole project is completed. It's very important when you're looking at something that's off plan that you pay attention. This is just an example so that you can see what a completed unit will look like. This is a very well designed room. This is one bedroom with an open concept kitchen and living area located in the heart of the city. You would love being in a place like this. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about Legato Heights. This is being done by VAAL Real Estate, one of the most highly respected real estate companies with buildings in Africa. They're located here in Ghana. They also have projects in Uganda as well as in Kenya. And it is just such a beautiful thing to see quality buildings for people to live in. Now, I know that many of you watching are watching from the diaspora and you're trying to think about the next place you can look at as a potential place to buy. Or maybe you are right here in Ghana and you're looking for a new investment or a new home. This could potentially be it for you. Let's take a look around this one bedroom. So when I walked in, you noticed that there was a kitchen behind me. This is a beautiful, spacious, open concept kitchen, and you've got plenty of cupboard space. As you can see, you have so much space for everything, for all your kitchen needs, big drawers, and we've got sockets for when you have your appliances, beautiful sink, oven, washing machine. Although I'm in a one bedroom, I want to make sure that you know that there are studios, one bedroom, two bedroom available, as well as penthouses. So this one right here, I want to show you where I was sitting earlier, the living area, very comfortable. This is an example of what you could have when you move in. Now you have the option to get them to assist you with getting it furnished. Of course, there will be a fee, or you can furnish it yourself. But most of the units generally are unfurnished, and it's up to you to get your own furnishings. You can choose from local or from imported because there's so many options available in Ghana. You don't have to worry about that because I know that sometimes those of you in the diaspora watch and you're wondering if you can get the kind of look and feel that you want for your place. You certainly can. There are so many options here in Ghana. So this one bedroom is not your typical size. I've been told that the typical one bedroom in this building will actually be slightly bigger than this one. This is a showroom. I want you to keep that in mind. If you are in Accra, you can actually come and visit the showroom located here in the heart of the city, close to Osu, Ridge. Now, let me show you the rest of the apartment. You have a guest washroom with a toilet and a sink, a beautiful vanity. So this is the guest washroom. Now, most of the places I see in Ghana that have a guest washroom are quite narrow. This one actually has a little bit of space. So it's perfect that your guests can come and they don't have to use the one in your bedroom. So now let's go into the bedroom. This bedroom is beautiful. You see how it's furnished? You can furnish yours just like this and get this premium look. Now, as I said, this is an example of the one bedroom that you can get here at Legato Heights. It is perfectly spaced. This is a queen size bed. And as I said earlier, this is actually a little bit smaller than what the final one bedroom will look like because it is a showroom. Keep that in mind. You need to come inside and check out the bathroom. This is the bathroom ensuite. You've got a shower here, and I love the tiles have that European modern kind of feel. And then you have your vanity behind here. And that's it. That is the one bedroom here at Legato Heights. Now, what are some of the things you might be thinking about? Well, there's a lot of amenities that are right here on this property. When it's completed, 70% of this land will be the amenities like a green space. There's going to be a park area. You'll have restaurants. There will be a gym facility and so much more that you get to access here right on the grounds. Things like a pharmacy, there'll be shops. So you don't even have to leave to go and do some of the things that you need. The conveniences that are right here within your own community here at Legato Heights. And that is one of the great things about living in a space like this. You don't have to feel like you can't find all the things that you need, right? It's right here on the grounds. Now, there's going to be two towers. For those who love architecture, it's two towers that are actually merged into one. And one side of the tower has most of the studio apartments, while the rest of the other tower is 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. And of course, the penthouse is up on top for those of you looking for penthouse opportunities. Now, that is the one bedroom here at Legato Heights as part of VAAL Real Estate and one of their latest projects here in Ghana. Construction is ongoing for Legato Heights. The finished building will be 20 stories high, the tallest in Ridge. So we're here on site for Legato Heights, which is under construction. You can hear the noise behind me of all the drilling and everything that's happening, the trucks mixing cement, everything. And so VAAL Real Estate is currently working on this project. They are also working on Puna, which is another upcoming project. That one is at Airport West. This one here is in Ridge, close to Osu, at the edge of Osu and Ridge borderline. Right now, they've built up to, I believe, almost the 9th floor, but we're going to go up to 6 and see the progress that's been made here at Legato Heights by VAAL Real Estate. So as I said, you are coming along with me, taking a look at this project. And I know that a lot of times people are concerned about things that are off plan. So this one is being built off plan, sold off plan, as well as the Puna, which is in Airport West. So this is really exciting to see all of this development. I know that a lot of times people are concerned if it's really a legit project, and you can trust me when I say it's a legitimate project. It's right in the heart of the city. You're close to the police headquarters, and trust that you are in a safe community. Just came up 6 flights of stairs to the 6th level here of this unit, this apartment, Legato Heights by VAAL Real Estate. You can see the ongoing construction happening here, and there's great views on this level and above. So imagine you're on the 20th floor. Your view will be even more spectacular. So over here, we see there's a view of Ridge, which is where this apartment is located. I'm going to keep moving because behind me is the view of the ocean, the edge of the ocean. All the way back, you can actually see it. And if you were even higher level than 6, imagine the views. So let's go over there and take a look. So all the way out there is the edge of the ocean. This side is all Osu going that way. So in this apartment, you're actually really in the heart of the city. You're close, you're in Ridge, you're close to Osu, you're not far from Laboni. Cantonments is not far away also. There's hospitals in the area, so you can feel comfortable knowing that you can get good health care. There are schools close by, and all the things you need. Not only will this apartment have all the amenities like a pharmacy, shops, restaurants, a park, all of that will be here. But because you're in the center of the city, you can also go out and get things in so many different places. So easy to walk somewhere and get what you need, check out the little shops, get an Uber, or if you have a personal driver, or if you drive yourself, it's easy access to almost anywhere in the city right here. Now, this project is not the only one that VAAL Real Estate is working on. As I've said earlier, Puna is the next project that's happening, and that one is at Airport West. And you can trust that the finishings and everything they do will be of similar premium quality, just like this one, as I've shown you in the showroom. So come on out. Make an appointment with VAAL Real Estate and come and check out what they're doing, because this is a perfect opportunity for you to get a piece of Ghana, an investment for yourself or a place you want to live. Maybe this is going to be an investment property for you. Maybe it's the perfect place for you to call a home away from home. Or maybe this will be your home. So you have to make an investment right here in Ghana and choose VAAL Real Estate. Choose Legato Heights.